Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Jasmy coin on your Trust Wallet mobile. Our first step is to take note of the website which we're on, which is coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. And with that, we know that this coin is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So what we do is we simply scroll down till we get to the About, and this About contains its Ethereum address, which we simply click on copy. By simply clicking on copy, we open up our Trust wallet. Please make sure you do have Ethereum for this transaction, seeing as it's an Ethereum based coin. Click on browser, click on Uniswap Exchange. And once you've clicked on Uniswap Exchange, you can connect your wallet by simply clicking on this profile icon right here at the top right corner of the screen and clicking on either connect or disconnect to connect your wallet. Another step would be clicking on this UFO. And once you've clicked on UFO, you simply paste the address we just previously copied from coinmarketcap.com. So by pasting this, the Jasmy coin is shown, and you click on Jasmy. And with that, we're going to be buying $0.001 worth of the Jasmy, which is equivalent to 472,000 or 472 of the Jasmy coin. But due to insufficient balance, we can't get that. Another thing to note is that the Jasmy costs about $12 worth of gas fees. And if you'd like to get this done for cheaper, all you simply need to do is simply open up your Binance. We're going to be using the Binance mobile app to buy the Jasmy coin here. You could either deposit USDT by simply clicking on USDT deposit and deposit some USDT, Ethereum, or any other token you can or possess, and then heading over to the convert section, which is here. Once at the convert section, we're going to be converting from, let's go with USDT, and we're going to be converting to the Jasmy coin. So let's say $10 worth of USDT is equivalent to 2,902 of the Jasmy coin. And then you simply click on convert or swap. And then our next step after that is done successfully is to head over to your wallet section. Once at the wallet section, move over to spots, and you're going to be clicking on withdraw. That's click on withdraw, and in the search bar, search for Jasmy. Click on Jasmy, send via crypto network. Got it. And now they are requesting for an address, so you simply minimize, open up your Trust wallet, use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, search for Jasmy. Remember, we're using the ERC20 version of the Jasmy. Click on receive, copy this wallet address, open up your Binance again, paste that wallet address, and then we're going to be selecting Ethereum. We're going to be sending, if you could remember, it was 2,904, $10 worth of the Jasmy coin. By simply click on withdrawal, we're going to be getting 2,007 of the Jasmy coin. But while we're here and on the matter, if you do not possess a Binance account and would like to own one or would like to register, by simply clicking on the link below and registering with your complete details, you'd be given a welcome bonus of $100 for rebate trading, all by clicking on the link. So guys, that's how you can simply buy the Jasmy coin on your Trust wallet. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about that. Thank you.